Hello everyone, welcome to another vocabulary session. Today we will talk about courses vocabulary. To begin with, what are the courses in a meal? Meals are divided into courses, which refers to items served together at once. For example, soup and crackers are a course, as are a salad, dressing, and bread served together. There is usually a pause in between courses, and the parts of a meal are brought up in a specific order. For example, if you order dessert and a main dish, your entree will arrive before the dessert, unless you specify you want a different order. Full course meals. Full course meals are made up of 3 courses, an appetizer, a main dish, and dessert, also known as a 3-course meal or a standard course meal. You will sometimes see restaurants offering a full menu with these 3 items. You can add more courses to a full course meal. This will add to the course length. So a 4-course dinner will include an appetizer, main dish, and dessert, but also a 4th course, hors d'oeuvres, served before the appetizer. If you choose a 5-course dinner, you will get a 4-course meal with a salad after the appetizer and before the main dish. We have different types and a specific order of courses. We have hors d'oeuvres, amuse-bouche, soup, appetizer, salad, fish, first main dish, palate cleanser course, second main dish, cheese plate, dessert, and post-meal drinks and pastries. Hors d'oeuvres. Since this course is typically served during a cocktail hour or as guests are arriving, hors d'oeuvres are usually finger foods that can be held in the hand. In here we have some examples such as goat cheese crostini with fig olive tapenade, zucchini fritters, shallot, and pancetta tortilla crisps. Then we have amuse-bouche. This can be translated from French to mean amuse the mouth, or more generally to please guests' palates with a small flavorful taste. Frequently, these might serve to stimulate the appetite or simply hint at flavors to come in the next meal courses. In restaurants, this is normally a complimentary item specifically chosen by the chef. We have sweet potato chips with goat cheese and caviar, caprese bites with basil vinaigrette, and pea soup served in a shot glass or espresso cup. Then we have soup. As with all of your courses, a classic idea is to relate your soup course to the season. It's always smart to avoid soups that are too hearty so guests don't fill up for the rest of the meal. We can offer cold melon and basil soup, pumpkin seed biscuit, Tuscan white bean, and roasted garlic soup. For appetizers, in many parts of Europe, this course is referred to as the entree because it introduces the main course in the meal. It is usually served on serving trays or small appetizer plates and features small cuts of meat, seasonal vegetable, starches, and sauces. As examples, we have charred broccoli with shishito peppers and pickled onions. Or we can have mushroom stuffed with pecorino romano, garlic, and breadcrumbs. Candied carrots with honey, cumin, and paprika, to mention some. Salads. This course is usually an assortment of raw vegetables with a flavorful dressing. In some part of Europe, salad is served after the main course, but it is also common to serve salad before. As examples, we have garden salad with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and tart vinaigrette, chopped up Thai salad with peanut dressing, Greek salads with olives, lettuce, red onions, and feta cheese. Fish. This dish is a flavorful light protein before the main course. We can have grilled salmon with a soy sauce marinade, lemon garlic tilapia, crispy trout with a parsley caper vinaigrette. First main course. The first main dish is often a white meat such as chicken, duck, or turkey. We can present spicy Thai basil chicken, roasted duck with an orange ginger glaze, or deep fried turkey with a honey bourbon glaze. For palate cleansers, this is likely to reset your taste buds. Its purpose is to remove residual tastes from the mouth before the next course. We can have sorbet. Sorbet is like an ice cream made out of water, of lemon, melon, or mint. We can also offer some prosecco or simply water with lemon. For the second main course, well, usually it is composed or it includes red meats such as premium beef, lamb, or venison. And for examples, we have stuffed lamb breasts with lemon, ricotta, and oregano, grilled flatteron steak with rosemary potatoes, or herb-crusted venison medallions. We can also offer a cheese course, so we create a platter of different cheeses along with items to accompany them. We include a variety of cheese textures and flavors such as aged, soft, firm, and blue cheeses. We choose a selection of breads and crackers, and we provide companion items such as jams, chutney, spicy mustard, caramelized onions, candied nuts, and pistachios. Then we have dessert, usually accompanied by a glass of dessert wine, coffee, or tea. This is a sweet and decadent course. We can have rich flourless chocolate cake with a glass of sweet port wine, lemon creme brulee with a dry white wine, or fruit tarts and very sweet champagne. And finally, guys, we have mignardises. At the end of the meal, you can serve a mignardise, which is a tiny bite-sized dessert or pastry served with tea, coffee, port, brandy, or scotch. Some examples are miniature butter Madeleine biscuits, small pieces of chocolate, or bite-sized macaron. Thank you so much for your attention, guys. If you have any questions, please send me an email to lilian.molina@upayep.mx. See you soon. Bye-bye.